Merv, are you watching Charles? Okay, be whoever you want.
You do you.
So who are you? Oh, Merv. Merv, are you Batman?
Merv, let me make the bed.
Let Mama make the bed.
No,
Mervin, do not summon Bagagua.
don't summon Pagagua.
Merv, you're gonna get the jiggles.
Jiggle, 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 jiggle.
There we go.
Jiggle, jiggle.
Merv. Merv, that's not ham. You're gonna keep hurting Mama. Merv, you're gonna wash your buns. I'll teach you how to do it yourself. Yeah, like a bed. Oh, jeez. Alright, let's turn it on. And look what you have. It's water. Yeah. So you take a little water and you wash down toward the tushy buns. Get them nice and fluffy and you rub it in. Then you turn off the water and you're all done. Yes, Merv. You have a visitor. It's Bagagua. Oh, what did Bagagua do to you? Merv. Merv, Mama's making your bed. She's helping. Oh, Merv. Merv and Cumberland Weems, you got caught in 4K. Merv, sit. Let Mama cook.
Let me cook, girl.
I'm gonna check on you. Merv, are you gonna let us make you? Merv, when are you cleaning your birthday mess? Merv, it's filthy. Merv already had our birthday party, so why are we ordering DoorDash?
Wait to see.
Merv, you gotta clean up. Merv.
Let's try to get Merv to clean up.
Merv, that's incredible. Merv, we gotta clean. Merv, it's everywhere. Now let's show Merv how easy it is with DoorDash. Merv, it's not just for food. Merv, are you gonna answer it?
DoorDash.
Okay, I think we're finally showing Merv that you can order cleaning supplies through DoorDash. Merv doesn't go to the store, but DoorDash makes it so easy by bringing the cleaning supplies to you. Okay, Merv, time to make the bed. Merv, you missed the corner. Merv, your boyfriend's here. Well, he has his own trash truck, and his shirt is off. Merv. Girl, he's gonna see you. Oh, jeez. Oh, Merv, pack your bags. We're gonna go visit Grandma in Ohio. I know, but you gotta pack your bags. Go on. Pack your underpants. She wants to see you. Oh, Merv, I'm sorry. Merv, guess what? Someone's here. Comb your hair. Who do you think it is? I don't know. He got over the new fence. I don't know.
Wait for it.
Sorry. Merv, Easter Bagagua brought his eggs. He's in the tree with his eggs. Yeah. Look, he's right there. Better clean up and look nice. Thank you. Yes, that tree. And go. No, that's not. There he is. Okay, now he's there. He's on the side, Merv. He brought his eggs to the side. Oh, Merv. Oh. Merv, that's a couch. Oh, sorry. I booped my baby girl. I'm sorry. I booped. Okay. Merv! Merv, look at the time. We have to go to Ohio. Merv, you realize the Uber's here in like 5 minutes. Okay, I'll give you some privacy while you get your tinies on. Merv, the Uber's here. Did you pack everything you need? Oh no, Merv, is it wet? Merv. This is gonna take like 30 minutes. Okay. Merv, your behive's leaving. Oh my god. Merv, your behive that you watch in your tree. It's going. Your sky raisins. Yes, wait.
Other side.
They're smoky sky raisins. Mervin. Merv, do you want to help him? Merv, your bees are getting a new home. Oh, careful. Who is it? A Charles! Oh, Merv. Merv, is that your bee man? What if he comes over? Merv, did you get the food? Did she get the food? Let's see. Oh, she forgot the cookie. Merv, can I double dash? We have 14 minutes left to double dash. Let's add a sweet treat from somewhere else. There's no extra fee, so add a squinch. Is he gonna see it? Charles. Oh, he got it! And put it in our bag. Okay. What? Oh my god. Merv, be patient. Did you smell it? Did the double dash work?
One squint.
One squinch. You love?
Merv, it's your cookie.
It's your cookie. Merv, your favorite. It all works.
She's in love.
She loves it. Merv, you can't be watching TV. Merv, guess who's here? Listen. Who is it? Okay, Merv, you gotta let him cook, Merv. Merv, please don't do that. Merv, where are you going? Merv, are you watching Charles?
Okay.
What are you doing? Oh, what did Charles bring you?
Oh, butterflies?
Butterflies. Okay, tell us what. Ouch, Merv. Did Charles bring you butterflies? Okay. Merv, let him cook. Okay. Smell her chest. What is that?
Ooh,
What is that?
Merv, what is that?
Lip?
That's so stinky.
It's
Merv.
like old pie?
Yeah, it's very like musty. Like
Oh, it's musty.
musty cream.
Oh, it's like cream of salmon.
Yeah, like right there in that area, right there, it's like so musty.
Yep. Smell that right there.
Oh, Merv.
Oh, Merv.
Oh,
Ugh.
it's like cooked in.
You're baked. Does she have nipples?
Private. Merv,
You're
gotta clean your chest.
You're a baked salmon cream. Guess we're done here?
Yeah, I need to unload the dishwasher.
do laundry. Merv, what's wrong? Merv, is this about Charles? It's raining, it's not your fault. What if I told you he's coming over? Right now, go see him. Merv, chill. Okay, Merv, what's your next plan? Oh, Merv, what is this? Merv, candy's not for cats. Merv, clean it up. I'm not going to do it for you. Don't eat it. Merv. Oh, Merv, you're a pet. Oh. How much I love you? Could you possibly know how much I love you? It's so much. Oh, my little sweet cucumber. You're just my shining star. Oh my god. My little hamburger, my little sweet hamburger. Ooh, I drooled on you, Merv. I'm sorry. I drooled on you. Merv. Merv, your boyfriend's here playing trash hole. Merv, Charles is gonna score a point for you. Yeah. Merv, you're his Taylor Swift. Don't be shy. Merv, come out. I love you. Oh, Merv, your boyfriend's here playing trash hole. Merv, Charles is gonna score a point for you. Yeah. Merv, you're his Taylor Swift. Don't be shy. Merv, come out. Merv, we gotta go to Ohio to see Grandma. Merv, Charles will still be here. Meef, you're right there. Pack your underpants. Pack your underpants.
Mama tried to exercise Merv's gobblings.
Merv, we're going to Ohio. Oh, Merv. Look at Mama.
Merv, look at Mama. We're going to Ohio. Merv.
Merv, you gotta pack your underpants.
Pack 'em, girl.
Ohio's great. Oh, she's... Merv, you can't...
Look at Mama.
Merv and Cumberland Weems. We see your shape. Don't send me Bacagua! Merv, look at her.
Seriously, look at me.
Look at your mama.
Merv, look at Mom. Merv, look at Mom.
Oh, there's your underpants. Merv. Merv, do you love Charles? Merv, I saw you watching him blow your wispies. Merv, don't be weird. Say hi. Merv, it's a leaf blower. There he is. Merv, go help him. Merv, I literally see you. What's wrong? Merv, if you're mad, go have some pad thai and change your attitude. Merv, who are you talking to? Ooh, what you say? Ooh, that you only man here. Ooh, just in the rule. What you say? Oh, that you only need me. Say, hey, I saw what you say. Merv, do you know who's here? He's tall and handsome, and he just parked his car. Who is he? Oh, be careful. He knows you're home. Merv, calm down. Oh my god. Merv, guess who's outside blowing your wispies? Squeeze his tushy buns. He's right there, look. Just say hi. Oh boy. Merv, blink twice if you're in love. Oh.
Merv wants out.
Merv, what are your plans today? Merv, you can't. Merv, it's raining. I'm sorry. Oh. Merv, you can't go out. It's raining. Look. Merv, I'm sorry. Charles will be there when it's done raining. He's our neighbor. Jesus Christ. Merv, let's clock your Charles time. On your mark. Go. I got 0.02 seconds. Did Charles see you? Merv, he's looking up. Not you, not you. Merv. Oh, Merv. Merv, clean your room. Come here. Come. Merv. Come, I'll help you. When did you last clean it? Merv, clean your room. Merv, you're the most beautiful girl in the whole world. Merv. Do you know who's here? Merv, come back. What if I told you he has a gift for you? Merv, there he is. There's your boyfriend. Go higher. Higher Whiskies, Merv. Merv. Merv, how you doing? You happy? Merv, Mama's washing your underpants.
No.
Merv, we have to go to Ohio.
Going to Ohio.
Merv, you gotta go.
It's not far away.
Oh, God, no. Merv, don't eat her wig. Merv, Mama hasn't washed her hair yet.
Okay, your underpants are clean.
Merv, come out and see your Christmas gift. Merv, guess who brought you a squanch? I don't know. Merv, I think the butternut squanch is from Santa Bigagua. It's from Santa. Okay, it's from Charles. Merv, come here. Merv, don't hurt Mama. Merv. I'm so hungry I could eat Bigagua. Oh, Merv. Oh, Merv. Bigagua is here.
Merv sees her brother Bagadwa. Merv excited for Dad coming home.
Merv thinks she owns house.
Merv! What the? Oh, Merv, what is this? Merv, candy's not for cats. Merv, clean it up. I'm not going to do it for you. Don't eat it. Merv. Oh, Merv, you're a pet. Oh. Merv, Mama's been on TikTok for 2 hours. Merv. Merv, let go of Mama. Merv. 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 Mama's not a bird. Merv and Cumberland Weems, your mama's not a bird. Merv. Merv, Mama's making your bed. She's helping. Oh, Merv. Merv and Cumberland Weems, you got caught in 4K. Merv, sit it. Let Mama cook. Merv, are you gonna let us make your... Oh, Merv, pack your bags. We're gonna go visit Grandma in Ohio. I know, but you gotta pack your bags. Go on. Pack your underpants. She wants to see you. Oh, Merv, I'm sorry.
Merv says, I love you, but can't handle the emotions.
Merv? Oh my God, Merv. Oh, is that a bug? Is it?
Is it a bee?
No, it's a boogway. Merv, that's gross. Okay. Well, you have to clean this up. Merv loves Bagagua. Merv loves Bagagua. Merv loves... Give me 5. Merv, come in here at once. Guess who's here watering your sweet baby tulips? Oh, jeez. Turn around. Turn. Merv, is he hot? Merv, we gotta let him work. Let him cook, Merv. Are you okay? Merv, what were you doing last night? Oh, it smells like you had a party over here. It's stinky. Merv, I know Charles was here. Yeah. Merv, your room is a mess. You can't just clean it now. I know when Charles has been here. Merv. Merv, you're the most beautiful girl in the whole world.
Look at that.
Merv, have you been keeping track of your pad thai? Mama's in your room eating it. She's eating it. Not eating anything. Some Pagagua. Merv, you want pad thai? Chanel, can you order some more? Okay. Love you. Merv, are you summoning the great Pagagua? Merv, where are you? Oh, Merv. No. Keep going. Keep going. He's there. Merv, who have you summoned? Merv. Merv, let go of Mama. Merv. Merv. What'd you do with Mama? Okay. Alright. I love you. Oh, my sweet little baby. In her pink tangua. Oh, let's see the tangua. Little pink tongue. Little sweet tongue. Coming from her lips.
Here's a day in the life of Merv. We just rescued Merv, got rid of her ants, and now she feels better. Sniff the eyeball while Dad drools. As you can see, Merv has ham knees. Knees of ham.
Knees of ham.
Now she smells a spirit. She...
Oh, sorry. Merv, where are your wispies going? Spoiler alert, the Pet Air Pro is eating them. It's dirty. Merv, your wispies are going to be gone. It's time to have the talk. Merv, when pet parents love their meef but not dust, they get blue air. It collects wispies while you sleep, and it's the only pet bed designed to purify your air. It's going to eat your dust.
Literally.
But that's a good thing. Not to mention the comfort it provides for your Merv while reducing shedding and your sensitivities. A clean environment, comfortable meef. And perhaps best of all, no wispies go to waste. Mervyn Cumberland Weems, I'm your father. Stop. Had the time of my life, and I never had a time before you. I love you. You're my sweet little pepino. Merv, have a chicken bone. I'm Merv's dad. This is Merv. We're doing banana time. It's when I dress my top hat like a banana. Here's her sleepy eyes. Merv, did you want to sniff me like a banana? And give the banana a little nudge. Here's her beautiful patterns. Her ears. I don't think she has earlobes. She likes to... I think that's all. Oh, she's there.
Is she there?
Merv.
Surprise!
Surprise! It's you! Do you like it? It's a sweet Merv picture. Oh, Will Brown. Are you mad? Merv. Whoa.
She's mad.
It's beautiful.
Merv, what day is it? Oh, Merv, you're falling asleep during your interview?
Oh, wait. She has a fuzz, Chanel.
Let's see it. Oh, that's probably why she's falling asleep.
Let's get it. Merv.
Oh,
I'm
it's
just gonna
coming
get
right out of his
Merv.
lips.
Oh.
Get it.
Oh.
Get it.
A fuzz.
Oh,
Merv, it's
it's
so
so
long.
Pull.
Merv.
Oh my.
Merv, what? What is this? Merv, I hear you smelly bird. Merv, it's your bird. Hey. Merv. Merv, your pad tie's ready. I will not go out. This is my room. Merv. Merv, what's wrong? Merv, is this about Charles? It's raining. It's not your fault. What if I told you he's coming over? Right now, go see him. Merv, chill. Okay, Merv, what's your next plan? Merv, can you hold your underpants for me? Merv, you just literally pick it up and fold it and put it away. Merv, that's sarcastic.
Are you sarcastic?
No, it's sarcastic. Look at Mama's perfect pile. Merv, I see you. Practice on your wispy. No, don't say that. Merv, don't look at me. I didn't say. Merv, guess who's here playing Spanish guitar for you? Yes, listen. Is he gonna pet you? Oh, pet, little. Merv, come here. He's playing Madonna. Merv, go and see him. Run.
He's here late.
He got done late. It's Merv Cella. Okay, Merv, bedtime. Merv, your boyfriend's here playing trash hole. Merv, Charles is gonna score a point for you. Yeah. Merv, you're his Taylor Swift. Don't be shy. Merv, come out. Yes, she does. Merv, I love you. I love you.
Merv, come smell my wig.
Oh my god. Oh. Merv. Merv, do you love Charles? Merv, I saw you watching him blow your wispies. Merv, don't be weird. Say hi. Merv, it's a leaf blower. Merv, go help him. Kiss me. You are my little sweetie. Sweet. You're my little guy. La la. Oh. I won't show anyone, Merv. Merv and Kimberlyn Weems. I love you. Merv, do you know who's outside for you? Merv. Merv. Merv, he grew you a grand squanch. Merv and Kimberlyn Weems. Merv, it's your grand squanch. Oh my god. Merv, are you alright? Oh, Merv, are you embarrassed? Oh, Merv. Merv, do you love Charles? Merv, I saw you watching him blow your wispies. Merv, it's a leaf blower. Don't be weird. Say hi. Merv, I hear you smelly bird. It's your bird. Merv, I have your smelly bird. Merv. Oh, Merv. Merv, I'm flushing Mr. Toilet. You're the one that wanted to know. Merv. Oh my god. Come here, my sweet ham. Come get your boop.
Merv says, I love you but can't handle the emotions.
Merv, do you know who's here? No. He's tall and handsome, and he just parked his car. Who is? Oh, be careful. Merv, he's gonna see you. Merv, watch it. Go back. Oh no. Merv. Oh my god. Oh my. Merv. Merv, your bath is ready. Merv, you're stinky. It's been weeks. Smell your toe beans. Okay, Merv, I'm closing the door and counting to 2. 1, 2. It's time for your bath. Merv, Charles is coming. He's gonna be here in like 5 minutes. Merv, take your bath. Merv, guess who's outside blowing your wispies? Squeeze his tushy buns. He's right there, look. Just say hi. Oh, God.
Merv admits her love to Dad but can't handle.
Merv, come here. Smell my finger. Who have I been booping? Boop, boop. Yep. Boop. Oh. Oh, don't be mad.
Merv excited for her Amazon delivery.
Merv, Charles is going to use the shower. Merv, Charles needs privacy. You can't just... Merv, no. Merv, you're going to get wet. Merv, this is why you got fired from Ham Depot. Merv. Little sweet Merv. Someone's collecting your rubbish. Charles. Merv, what do you think of his hair? Are you gonna try to meet him? That's fair. Merv, I have your smelly bird. Merv. Oh, Merv.